By applying shadows, we can significantly improve the quality of the video. I will show you how to add shadow to an actor or to any objects of your animation. In this tutorial, I will use an animation scene with two objects, a human character and a background prop. The human character is animated and ready to use. Now I am importing a prop object to use as a background layer. The character disappeared. It's a reason that the new layer covers the actor, so I have to push it backwards. I reduce the value of the Z-axis. Now the hunter is in front of the cliff. I click on the play button to see the motion. You can see our hunter is waving with his left hand. It's the whole scene. We will make the post-production in After Effects. There are two options to start the export. We can click on the After Effects icon on the toolbar, or we can select it from the menu. I always check the settings in the export window. Set 100 image resolution and I select the low memory export for the more stable activity. Let's write the file name. We can click on save. The rendering process takes a while. I show you what file structure has been created during the export process. We have a hunter folder containing the sequences or the motion. We have a single image folder containing the background layer, and we have a JSON file. Now we are in After Effects. I will import the project that Cartoon Animator created for the post-production. Import. Yeah, we have a previously installed script that I will use now. It's provided by the Cartoon Animator application. With the import completed, we can start working with the project. It's a standard After Effects project, so it doesn't matter that the origin is from Cartoon Animator. You can have these objects from any other resources. I'm duplicating the layer hunter because I will use the copy as a shadow. Click on the Ctrl D on the selected layer. Then I rename the new layer to be able to distinguish it later. Let's go to the Effects and Presets panel. If not visible, open the Effects and Presets panel from the window menu or use the Ctrl 5. Here we search for the drop effects. Double click on the drop shadow and go to the effect controls. Select the shadow only checkbox. Now it's time to adjust the orientation of the shadow layer. If you don't have the orientation and some other options visible here, you need to change the layer to 3D. It can be selected from the layer menu, easy to find. Shadow is a little bit vivid, so we have to change its parameters. Reduce the opacity level to 30%. Let's try the softness with 100 value. It's not enough, so let's change it to 200. Looks better. These are just the typical values I use at daylight scenes. You can apply other values according to the nature of your scene. And we are ready. Let's see the result. Looks fantastic. Okay, that was all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe.